In today's video, I'm going to show you Vevor Inflatable Tent Review, Glamping Comfort, or Heavy Hassle. The Vevor Inflatable Tent is marketed as a quick setup, glamping style tent that combines size, comfort, and durability. Several models are available, including tents built for 5 to 8 people, 8 to 12 people, and even larger luxury versions with features like multiple windows, a stove jack, mesh ventilation, reflective guy ropes, and waterproof Oxford fabric. A typical model 5 to 8 person promises about 129 SQ FT of space, waterproofing PU 3000, and set up in 10 to 15 minutes with a high pressure pump. In terms of comfort, many users and the product listings report that ventilation is good with skylights, mesh windows, multiple doors, which helps reduce condensation and stuffy feeling, especially in mild weather. These tents also include accessories like ground pegs, reflective ropes, and carry bags, which add convenience. However, there are definite trade-offs. Inflatable tents generally weigh more and are bulkier than traditional pole tents because the structure depends on air beams, inflatable columns, and heavier fabric. That means transporting and storing them is more onerous. If you plan to carry gear or hike long distances, this kind of tent can be impractical. You also depend heavily on a pump. If the pump fails, loses pressure, or you forget parts, you're in trouble. Another downside is performance in adverse weather. While Vevor advertises windproof pegs and waterproof ratings, inflatable tents are inherently less rigid than framework tents in strong winds, and excessive rain or sharp edges can lead to more risk of puncture or seam leaks. Considering all of this, Vevor's inflatable tents seem good for what they aim to do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.